Okay, so I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. It's a beautiful day in upstate New York, although it is only 7 degrees. I've moved my camera up a shelf, which I'm hoping will give us a better view. And I felt like before I was just too close to my table too much and I was cutting things off. Hopefully I won't cut things off this way. However, I also can't really see what I'm doing as well. I have to stand on my tiptoes or maybe even get a stool. But I was going to show you the last thing I did off camera in my glue book was this page of people, and I put down the original trendsetters. Now today I thought I might try doing objects. I have quite a few objects saved up, and I also have some things here that I need to get out of the way because I haven't finished cutting them out yet, and some food. So yeah, let's see if I can do some objects. I might save this for a car page. I do have a bunch of cars cut out now. I'm hoping maybe I can get away with not having to do that, but let's find some objects. I have got a jar of coins that I have been wanting to use, and I think that would be a good corner piece. And got this giant watch which would fill the whole page, but I don't think I want to fill the whole page. I've got this, which could be cool, and I don't have to use the whole thing. I could cut it off, and I could put this here, and then that's all covered up. The white part is all covered up there. Now, what else do I want to? Oh, here's a car. Car goes with cars. Here's a big giant light bulb. That might be cool. Something tells me I am going to need to, unfortunately, put a background. This would have to go over here. Got some books. Girl Scout book. Could do that. Could have this couch coming out like this. That would cover up quite a bit of white. Also got this, but that's just don't know. It does look nice. Didn't finish fussy cutting it out. That would be pretty, but I think I'm going to save that for a different page. I kind of like the light bulb. So I need to come up with the rest of my stuff. This is a jewelry box. I've got a journal. Maybe that would work to cover up some of the white. Journal there. But you can't really tell what it is. What about a seashell? Maybe that. Seashell. Not sure I like that couch, even though it does, yeah. Maybe if I put the seashell up like that, or that. There. I like that. I like that layout. I think I'll like that under there. Let's see. This Girl Scout book maybe right here. But I still see white right there. I guess I could move the light bulb over a little bit. Or like this. I like this on top of the light bulb though. But I think this would work. Could move that up still. What if I moved this up even more? Did that. We've still got this. What if I did... Trying to get most of this white covered up with pictures, but I have a feeling I'm gonna need something else. A background of some kind. Oh, here's a birdhouse. What about that instead of the book? There we go. Light bulb here. Oh, that's pretty good. I could, let's see. No, I don't want to cover that up. What about a vacuum cleaner? That would work. That works. Everything is covered except for this up here. Well, that's not going to work. What else have we got here? Anything interesting? Flowers? No. Oh, that's Ken Kesey's bus, the Magical Mystery Tour bus. It's on, it's in a museum in Woodstock. Not too far from here. What about if I put the books, like right here, books and more books. Here, we've got the Girl Scout books. Girl Scout books, right there. Guess we don't really need that part. Couch. That would cover it if I do that. But I don't know. I don't know. What about this? Dog food. Still need you. I've got this. I don't know if this is food or objects. What if I put this up here? That's still not going to be covering everything. What if I just put a block of color? 'Cause this would have to go this way. I feel like I'm going to need a block of color back there, unfortunately. So let's remove all of this stuff, and I'm going to get some solid color background. I wanted to not do it, but I feel like I need to. Oh, here's a bunch of dishes. That might work. Let's try this again. What if I just cut this off? I don't think we need it. I could actually come up from the bottom or the top. I'm redoing the whole layout here. There's like a little piece right there. And down here, some lipstick. Yeah, I don't think I can get away with no background, unfortunately. I don't want to see white, and I don't want to cover up certain things, so nope. Alright, so I decided to just go ahead and use the other half of the same paper that I use in the background here, because it was there and it was the right size. So I'm going to put some glue on this and get that glued down. How are you all doing? I might end up speeding up quite a bit of this video because I know it's going to take a while with all my decision making that I've been doing. So parts of it will probably be sped up, but I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope you're happy and healthy and warm and dry. Let's get this on now. All right. A little bit too short, but that's okay. I don't know. I might just cut this white strip off because it's going to show up. So, let's do that. I don't care. I ended up going through this book and taking some of the pages out. I'm sure you've also noticed that I'm only doing them on one side of each page because I don't want this journal to get too bulky. So I took out about every third page, and you can see I just glued down the little strips that were left here. I think you can see what I'm doing. Don't want to get off frame. Here's another one. So I did cut out quite a few pages. Alright, so I think that I'm just going to go ahead and keep this like it was. And I'm just going to glue it on like that. And then we'll just puzzle piece everything back in and add stuff if we need to. Do you have any exciting plans? When I'm filming this, it is February 20th. So this has been our so this February has been our coldest month so far. And March won't. I don't think March will be any colder than February was. I went to Dollar Tree and I found the little spatula thingy that Nicole from Relax Cut Glue uses. So I feel very cool and very professional. And I need to make sure I'm staying in frame. But I have to stand on tiptoes to do that. I think the next one we'll do is the money jar. And where's my light bulb? I think we could do it like this. Yeah, that's what we'll do. So this is going to go next. And hoping that it warms up soon. We put up all our birdhouses. I may have already mentioned that. And my husband made me some new birdhouses to put up. And I'm really hoping I can attract a bluebird this year. Light bulb was going there. I know bluebirds kind of like open fields where they would nest, make their nests. And we live right on the edge of the city. But we do have, I mean, they're not really fields, but we have more empty spaces on each side of our house because there's just a garage on the right side for the car mechanic place. And then on our other side is a driveway and a yard, someone's yard. So I'm hoping on the left side, that's where we put the bluebird house, and we made it to the regulation size. I'm hoping that, we'll be able to attract a bluebird over there because it's more of an open field. And now I totally forgot what else I wanted to put there because I don't want to cover up the light bulb too much. So, but I don't like the dishes there either. Lipstick. I think I will go ahead and put these here. Maybe I'll put the birdhouse next to them. But see, I don't want to cover up that pretty birdhouse. What about if I do this? Does this work? I think that's covering up even more of the light bulb. If I do that, I think I can. That would work. Okay, let's do that. I wish I could find a real copy of the Girl Scout handbook. I probably had. My sister went to Girl Scouts. I never did because I wasn't allowed to. The reason why I wasn't allowed to is because my sister quit. Anything that my older sister quit, I wasn't allowed to do. Like she took an instrument and then quit, so I wasn't allowed to learn how to play an instrument. And all kinds of weird little things like that. So I wasn't allowed to join the Girl Scouts because she quit. I don't like that there, but I do kind of like the lipstick there. What about a vacuum cleaner? Cut off the bottom of this. I don't know. I like the lipstick. Or what about a little lamb? That's cute. There's another little lamb. They're too white. What about this? Actually, does that cover up more of it than the birdhouse? I don't even know where the birdhouse went. I lost my birdhouse. This one's not so white. Oh, and you can still see the Girl Scout word. It doesn't cover up the light bulb. I don't know. What about this? Oh, my little tiny paint can. I think that works. I lost my birdhouse. I wanted to compare it with the books. I can't find it. Here's a needle with globes in it. Oh, I can't believe I lost my little... Oh, here it is. What looks better? What do you think looks better? I think I'm sorry if I was off camera again. I'm going to have to make a mark. I think I do like the books better. And then maybe I can put the lipstick like up here. Yeah, I think that's what I'm doing. Objects. This is objects. Forgot to put the date on there. Okay, there's objects. We gotta put this one down next. And we don't want it to go in the fold. Now this one. What if the teddy bear, teddy lamb? No, I've got a rubber ducky. Actually, the rubber ducky might look kind of cute. Let's cut him out all the way and see. Went to the car wash yesterday. We got a brand new car wash, and I filmed being inside the car wash, and I was going to put it actually took 2 minutes to go through. I was going to edit it to 1 minute and put it on my, yeah, I think he looks very cute there. So he's going there. I was going to edit the car wash video and put it out on Shorts, but I can't get it to upload. It's very weird. I tried all night, and I just kept getting to 3%, and that was it. Okay, there we go. There is my objects page. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day or night, whatever is coming next for you. Bye-bye.